Bergen has secured a $3 million federal grant that will provide new support services. The U.S. Department of Education Developing Hispanic Serving Institution Competitive Award will impact 10,000 Bergen students over the next 5 years. Among the initiatives under the Bergen Rebounds, Assist, Advance, and Achieve, the college will embed tutors with faculty teaching online courses, create a new financial literacy initiative, and redesign its new student orientation program. The evolution of the new student orientation has already begun, according to Director of Student Life, Greg Fenkhart.
It's been really good. So this is a new model that we started again this year. We went with a bunch of smaller sessions instead of a few large sessions, so we could have more personalized attention. The content's all still good, but it's presented by a variety of different people on campus. So far, the feedback's been great.
Enthusiastic student leaders went right to work in September as the Student Government Association hosted meet and greets to take the pulse of the student body and encourage their peers to get involved. Their message? Everyone can play a role in this important part of the college's governance structure, according to SGA President Hanai Kachui.
Our vision as the e-board for this meeting was just to kind of break the ice a little bit. Usually when people hear the word government, they want to run the other way. They think we're here to discuss politics or learn more about the government, which is great and all, but really our goal is to have more student representation. We want to get a diverse body of students involved.
Student Joanne Concha has earned the $1,000 Coca-Cola Military Leaders of Promise Scholar Award from Phi Theta Kappa, the honor society of two-year colleges. Concha, an engineering science student, joined the Army Reserve after graduating high school and deployed overseas. His interest in the sciences led to an assignment in the Corps of Engineers with the military branch, which he hopes to parlay into a career in the space exploration industry. Together with the nation, Bergen remembered the events of September 11, 2001, during a morning ceremony last month. Keynote speaker, Chief Financial Officer Wilton Thomas Hook, encouraged those in attendance to find light through the darkness.
Learn from this tragedy and use that wisdom that comes from such a dark moment as 9/11 to summon your inner angel.
Bolstered by a grant secured by U.S. Senator Cory Booker, the LatinxCEO Experiential Entrepreneur Program kicked off its fall programming with a Power-Lunch. Targeting underrepresentation in the workplace, LatinxCEO offers skill-building workshops, internships, and industry-recognized certifications for students. Student Joanna Molina said the program has opened doors.
So far, I think just being a member and being it just makes me want to excel in different ways for myself and for my own community, like the people I represent.
At the launch event, Red Shoe Movement founder Mariela Daba sponsored a workshop on branding, while students also had the opportunity to network and receive LatinxCEO swag. Gallery Bergen opened its latest exhibition, Talking Tintypes, examining the portrayal of Native Americans through the photography of Diné Navajo Nation artist Will Wilson, with an opening reception on September 26th. The artist's first-person work conveys the environmental and health impacts on the Native Americans in the Southwest through capturing portraits of the region's residents through tintype photography and augmented reality interviews and video. We spoke with gallery director Tim Blanc about the exhibition, who said he first saw Wilson's work at the Metropolitan Museum of Art and was immediately captivated.
What he has tried to do with the Talking Tintypes is to disrupt this idea that indigenous people, that Native Americans are frozen in time, that they are relegated to the past. And instead, what these images do is they create this very contemporary technology that is used to create these very contemporary stories.
The exhibition will remain on view through December 20th. Time's up for now. We'll see you next month on Studio Bergen Remix.